Let's fix these headphones! My Android phone audio stopped working on the right side years ago. I was so frustrated, but I found multiple solutions. Now I will share all of them with you. This means you have to watch this video until the very end. Some solutions work with wired, some with wireless headphones. Please hit the like button and subscribe for good measure. Write a comment describing your sound problem. Other viewers want to know they are not alone. Step 1. Look at your headphones real close. Try to find the letters L and R. This is about making sure you know which side is which. L means left and R means right, of course. The letters are printed or molded on the earpieces or the frame. Rotate the headphones in the light if you can't see the letters. It's a funny mistake that can happen to anybody. Wearing headphones the wrong way for years is very common. Now some headphones have wrong labels. We will do a sound check for this in a moment. Some headphones do not have letters. This is easy to solve. Put on the headphones now and listen to both earpieces. I will play the following text on only the left and right sides. This should be left. This should be right. What you should have heard is, this should be left on the left side, and this should be right on the right side. Was the sound on the correct side? Check the left-right direction. If they have wrong labels, there is an easy and free solution. Just wear them the other way around. Hopefully the design allows that. If headphones don't have labels at all, or if the labels are hard to see, you can simply make new labels. Get some tape and get a marker pen. Write L and R and tape them to the headphones. You can use the earbuds, earpieces or cable for this. The labels will not last long on the cables though. If your headphones are big enough, there is another nice option. Use colored rubber bands which you can buy, or which often hold vegetables together when you buy them. I use red for the right side, blue for the left side. Go back in this video to check left and right again. You can also use one of my long sound tests. The links to these tests are in the video description. Again, please remember to like the video if it helps. But continue watching, more solutions coming up. Next, let's check you plugged in the headphones properly. Plug them in firmly, but not violently. There should be a click sound and a lock-in feeling. Listen for that sound and search your feelings for the feel. To check whether you did it properly, simply pull the plug. If it comes out with resistance and a little bit of noise, then you did it correctly. If it just slides out, that means it wasn't plugged in the first place. Now let's find out whether your phone or the headphones are damaged. Use a different pair of headphones with the same device. Do different headphones have the same sound problem? If they are different, then most likely the first pair is damaged. If you don't have spare headphones, use a different device with the same headphones. I test my headphones with an old phone. Then I listen to the same audio as a test. If it sounds the same, then most likely the headphones have a problem. Just to make sure, I test with a third device as well. For example, a PC, a laptop, or a sound system. If you only have one device and one pair of headphones, I recommend you ask a friend for their headphones or phone to test. Or go to a big electronics store and test there. If your headphones are broken, the first thing to check is whether warranty still applies. I used to buy specific in-ear headphones that would break after 1 year. I returned them each time and got them replaced for free under warranty. If the headphones are expensive or cheap labor is available, you can get the headphones repaired. Even better if you have an electronics technician as a friend, and they can make you a good deal. You can try to repair the headphones yourself, but there is a risk of damaging them even more instead. If, however, the phone has the problem, try this. Make sure the phone is at fault and not the video or app you're using. There are many videos on YouTube with broken sound mixing. Each time I hear one, I'm not sure whether my headphones broke. If your phone's audio jack is broken, you can use this simple workaround. Switch to wireless headphones. I had a pair of wireless headphones lying around for months. I just didn't like the idea of having to charge them. It took me a while to realize that I can use them to work around the sound issues with my phone. Consider wireless Bluetooth adapters for your favorite headphones. You can get the phone repaired as well under warranty or for pay. Repairing it on your own is risky though. If fixing a phone requires you to remove a display, then your chances of bricking your first phone are quite high. But maybe there is simply dirt in the audio jack. You can carefully clean it with a cotton swab or a toothpick. Be very gentle or you might make it worse. I used this method on my phone violently and made it much worse. I used force when cleaning the audio jack with a toothpick. The right channel changed from quiet to non-audible. Be careful. Now it's time for the ultimate fix. In my phone's settings, in accessibility settings for hearing, an option exists to change the left-right balance. Turns out my right side is not completely broken, but it is extremely quiet. Moving the slider nearly completely to the right helped. I was able to hear on both ears again. You can also enable mono in case you want to use only one earbud. For example, for sleeping this is useful, as you can still hear all parts of directional audio in one ear. You can also try to get a special cable to split stereo audio, but adding more cables to a phone in your pocket is annoying. You will also have to raise the volume, which might not be enough. So I hope that one of these tricks was able to help you. Write a comment which one helped. If your sound still has problems, write a comment too. Tell us as many details as you can. Which phone model do you have? Which headphones are you using? What is the sound issue? Have you tested with other devices or headphones yet? We might just find a solution for you in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications. Thank you for watching. Ciao!